So what is the difference between real and implied texture when it comes to paintings? Hello, my name is Gail and welcome to Tuesday Art Talk. So real texture is actually texture that you could feel. So the example I have is this skirt. You could take your hand and you could feel the texture. So that is real texture. Implied texture is texture that it looks one way, but it really isn't. It's implied, it's suggestive. So if you look at the clouds, those are implied texture. They're actually smooth when you touch it, but it's implied. They look fluffy. Same with the poodles. The poodles look like they're fluffy, but they actually aren't. So that is the difference between real and implied texture. So I hope that helps you. Until next Tuesday, I love you guys. Bye-bye.